How to see Wi-Fi password on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on Wi-Fi. You are now in the Wi-Fi settings page. From here, you can connect to Wi-Fi, view available networks, and manage settings for joining networks and nearby hotspots. As you can see, the Wi-Fi is currently turned on and connected to a network. Tap on the details icon beside the network as shown. You can view and manage the network settings from here. Tap on Password to view it. You will require your phone passcode or Face ID to view the password. Following these steps, you can easily see Wi-Fi password on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.